solves basically the first order of the form fx, okay, is equal to 0, where p is your del z del x, q is your del z del y. So the same way the auxiliary equation will come. Auxiliary equations are dx by fp, dy by fq, dz by pfp plus qfq, dp by z, dq by minus fy plus qfz. You see, in Cauchy method, written dx equal to f, and these methods does not include the parametric form. So this is dx by dy by fq. In Cauchy method, we have written dy by dt equal to fq, dz by dt equal to qfq. So whenever you read or study, you study with understanding. Okay, don't study blindly, because you are remembering that Cauchy. Again, this formula, don't remember that formula is one only. Okay, that is, there is only one formula. We are writing the different style. That's that. So basically, we are not different kind of formula. We have the characteristic equation for first order PD are in, we can't change that. So we are writing some different form for different. Okay, so these equations are known as chart. These equations are known as Charpit equation. When you are writing in the metric form, this equation method of characteristics. When you are writing in this form, this is known as Charpit equation. So that, okay. So always means study with understanding. Study with understanding means you have to, don't have to remember full book. You have to study the topic and what is the difference between that. Only the full books. Okay, otherwise full books remembering is impossible. Okay, so to better understanding, you have to remember the difference between one method. Okay, whenever we will go through the second order PD, you will you don't have to remember second order PD. You have to remember the differences. This is for first order. So second order to it by this way. Okay? So that's the basic knowledge. So everywhere where you will go through only basics only, not any advance. Okay, everywhere, any interview, any exam you sit, there are only basic things are there, not any, they will not go to advance. So that is something just okay. So this is Charpit equations, and which are equivalent to your characteristic equation. Okay, or which is Cauchy method of characteristics. I have separately mentioned it for you people. Okay, so suppose this is the equation, complete integral or general integral for this equation for PD p squared. So write f equal to p squared x plus q squared y minus z equal to. So the Charpit's equation are this equation. Okay, so after finding fp fq, find fp fq pfp plus qfq. After all this finding, you will get this equation. Okay, now combine first and fourth term, this first term and fourth term and fifth term. Okay, you combine it and write it. So by multiplying p square above and below, and second fourth term you are multiplying above and below, then you are adding. Similarly, second term you are multiplying by q above and below, and for fifth term you are multiplying by 2qy numerator, and then you are adding. Okay, so this you have done basically. So after calculate this, below will get removed, so p square x and q square, and write d of log p square x, this because p square x, if you derive it log p square x, you derive it, you will get this. Similarly, log q square y, if you derive it, so after integral log c term will come. After com you will get p squared x equal to c q square y, where c constant. Okay, so now we use this equation. At x you got the value. Okay, you need p and q value. Okay, because you will put in equal to integral form dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Okay, so p and q value you need to find that p value and q value. Okay, so p squared x equal to c, put p square value here. So after getting q square you will get this, so q value you will. Okay, so put p squared x equal to q square y, so put q square value here. This q square value if you put, you will get p square value, similarly p value. Okay, so p and q value you put dz equal to p dx plus q, both side by 1 plus c by z. Okay, if you multiply both side 1 plus c by z power half. Okay, this equation and integration you will get the general integral or complete integral. I just written it. You people can do the integration because 1 plus c to the power half will integration. So dz by z to the power half, you know the integration. What is dz by z to the, and you already know. Similarly, you already know this. You already know this. So after integration, 1 will come. That is capital A. That is b. Some a constant has came, or c, and some c constant is came. So similarly, d will come. Some c, some d constant or c2 will come. Okay, so this will be the final, the integration. I left it for you. Okay, so but don't leave. Okay, because this is a easy integration. If it is a tough leave, this is very easy integration. I didn't do just for no reason. Okay, so just left it. So you people do if it is a easy integration. If it is like e to the power half, so then it is a tough integration. So you can tell that after integration the value that is acceptable. But this is very easy integration, dy by root y. Okay, root integration dx by root x, dz by root z. Okay, so the constant will come. Okay, and don't add. Many people what they do they forget to add the constant. Okay, they forget to add. Okay, whenever they are doing integration they are forgetting the add to constant. Okay, so that very much worst case. Don't means forget to add the constant. This is of the form a y z p q. Okay, f of x y z p q, because x is present, y is present, z is present, p q is general equation of the form. Okay, this is a general equation of the form. Now type Chapit equation have some type that is called special Chapit equation. So what is the type? That is some easy to remember. Means if you remember that special term, then it would be very good for you. Okay, some special types of first order PDEs applicable for Chapit's method. Okay, so what is the special term? So if f of pq equal to 0, okay, f of xyz pq is there, f of xyz pq is there. Now if xyz is not present, only p of pq equal to 0. This is a special type. Okay, so q equal to 0, so you can write p equal to a, p equal to you as one arbitrary constant. So if you put p equal to a here, so q equal to you will get, okay, because everything you can transfer to right. So q value you will get in terms of function of a. So q equal to fa. So dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So a dx plus fa d. Okay, so after integration you will get z equal to ax plus fay plus b, where b is constant. So how this is coming? So this is coming basically the Chapit rules. This writing after doing all this procedure. After all this procedure, you will get p value you are getting. So you will get p value is a and q value some fa. And So basically, if you can remember this thing, so you don't have to do all particular kind of Charpit equation, some special type of Charpit equation you don't have to do. Directly put P equal to A, U equal to FA. So you will get this Z equal to AX plus FAY plus B. Okay. So this is the equation. So you see, means I have explained Q equal to 0, so dx by fp dy by, after getting all these calculations, see dp by, so if you equate with anything, so it will come dp equal to 0, right? Because 0, if you, it will come dp equal to 0, so p equal to a. Okay, similarly dq equal to 0, value after getting a, if you put here on this equation f of pq equal to 0, so you will get in terms of fa, like that. Similarly, the second type is f of zpq. Of zpq means xy term is not present, only z present. So after calculating all these things, you will get p equal to aq. Okay, so you don't need to do, I just did here for showing you. You don't need to, you just directly put p equal to aq. Okay, if you remember that if f is a function q, so you can directly put p equal to aq if you remember this substitution. So if you put here, so q equal to, you will get in term, so q is function of a and z. Okay, so p equal to function of a into f is there, and q value is f. So that is, so if you put here, you will, this f will come below. Okay, this f common you take, and then it will come below here. So this is a complete integral. After doing the integration, another b constant will come. F is a f of xy, z term is not present. So what you can do, you can have like q one side and y and q other side. So that is the idea, which is called separation. Separation of variable means x and p you will take one side, and y and q side. So this is a function of xp, this is a function of g of yq. So this same constant as a some constant. So f of xp equal to f of yq equal to some a. If you assume, so f of xp equal to a means p equal to function of a. G of yq equal to a means q equal to function of ay will come. Okay, so fx some phi ay. So if you put this equation, so final value. Okay, there is special term that is called Clairaut's form. If you remember that Clairaut's form you have done for equation also, partial differential equation. So that is some special kind of term. So Clairaut's form, it is of the form z equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. This is a special kind of equation. Z, px, all things are present, while in some present order. Okay, z equal to px plus qy plus f. This is the form. Then you can directly put p equal to one constant, q equal to another constant, some a, and q equal to some b. So after putting this, you will get z equal to ax plus ab. Okay, after you put this, you will get directly this. So this is your arbitrary. So now you see that example of every type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. 4 type of special cases is there. So that 4 type, every type one example. So you see pq equal to 1. There is no xyz term is present. Okay. This is basically f of pq equal to 0. If you take f of pq, so what is f? F is pq minus 1, right? Pq minus 1 equal to 0. Anyway, so this is a first type. So for first type of equation, what you have done? For first type of equation, what is q? So q equal to 1 by a, right? If you here q equal to 1 by a, so dz equal to everything. If you know value, so always you will put dz equal to pdx plus qdy in that form. Okay, if you get a and p and q value, you will always put the values dz equal to p dx plus q dy. So after putting these values, so what will come? Dz equal to p value is a into dx and q a into dy. So after integrating this, so you will get z equal to ax plus a plus some constant will come, which is b. So after calculating this, we get this. So this two constant is there. One is a, another is c. Okay. Similarly, f of z pq form. Okay, f of z pq form means this one. Okay, this is one equation, p square z square plus q square equal to p q z. No xy is present. So what you need to put? You need to put p aq. So if you put p equal to aq in this equation, so you will get q value p equal to aq in this equation. Okay, so you are putting this, so you will get q value. So after getting q value, you again put here, so you will get p value something, p this one. Okay, in terms of a and z. Okay, so p equal to aq, q value you could directly put here actually. Okay, they have not in this equation. Okay, so anyway they only, so they could directly put here. Okay, it would come here from here only. Okay, after getting q value you put here, so you will directly get this value. Okay, so to p dx plus q dy. So after getting p values and q value, so this is, it can be integrable in dx and dy. So you have to take z part on the left side because dz side is there, so dz equal to left side it is there, so it is 1 a square z square whole to the power half dz equal to a dx plus du, a dx plus dy. So basically this is after integrating what we will do. Okay, they have done the integration. Similarly, now you see p q x y are present, no z term is present. Okay, so this is type. Okay, this is type 3. So type 3 means you have to do separation of variable, x one side and yq you take another side. Okay, no z term is getting this, you take this is a constant, you assume that this is equal to a constant. So if you a or a square, if you assume that this is some a square, so okay, that is not a problem. Constant a and a square does not sense. Okay, you can just for suitable because everything is square form, so we are assuming is as a square does not matter. So p square into 1 plus x square by x square equal to a square. So p value you will get this. Similarly this is, so q value you will get p and q value you will get integration this. Okay, so type number, this is the form, type 4. So this is Clairaut's form. Clairaut's form is z equal to px plus qy plus f of pq, right? If you just calculate it little bit, you take p plus q, just look at the equation, you have to understand the equation. Clairaut's form maybe you will not be able to see it, but after some 1 or 2 line it will come to the Clairaut's form, then you are done with easiest form. Okay, so you just take plus q on the left, plus q, and then xp and yq to the right hand side, so it will be plus xp plus y. So z equal to xp plus yq plus f of pq, means f of pq is here q, right? So it is Clairaut's form clearly. So you put p equal to a and q. After putting this you will get this. This is a most tedious 2-line problem. So basically all this type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, all these things by the this way, that's that long way, this way you can do. It's very much work. Okay, so if you are, fit method basically uses these forms, these special forms. So if this form you can directly get in 1 or 2 line, you will directly get the solution. That is the purpose. Okay, that's why it is called special types of Chart-Pit method. Okay, so now we, what is the time? 2:40. So Jacobi's method, if we complete the Jacobi's method, end. So what is Jacobi's method? So Jacobi's method, one equation x, y, z, p, q. Okay, suppose this type of equation is there, so you need to convert it to g of x, y, z, ux, uy, uz in this form. Okay, you need to convert it. See, this is a z variable. Now you have to convert it to another equation where z variable, and you are introducing some new variable which is dependent variable, which is working. So g of x, y, z, ux, uy, uz. Okay, some difficult type you are converting. Okay, then the rest of the thing will be Chart-Pit method. Okay, if you can convert it, then the rest of the thing will be same as Chart-Pit method. So how to convert this? So that is very easy. You have to put, in place of p, you have to put minus ux by uz, and in place of q, you need to put minus uy by uz. Okay, so p minus ux by uz and q, if you put that to, so it will get convert some x, y, z, u. So after getting this, your auxiliary equation is, what is that? Dx by gux, dy by guy, okay, du by minus fx, d minus gx, sorry, du by duy by minus gy, duz by minus gz. Okay, so all these things. Okay, so the rest of the procedure is follows from Chart-Pit. Okay, if any equation not in this form, if it is given directly this form, then you don't. Okay, it is given already this form, so you directly write that auxiliary equation and you solve it. Okay, that is same. Okay, so if it is already given in this form, so don't need to convert again, so you directly solve it. Okay, and if it is given of this form, so you need to convert if you want to apply Jacobi, and then you can go through the same way. So for solving a complete integral, okay, so what you will get, after solving this equation, you will get here ux value, uy value, and u. Right? So after getting this, you can write it du equal to ux dx plus uz dz. Okay, so ux value you put du equal to plus uy dy plus uz dz. After putting these values ux, uy, and uz values, you will get some complete integral in terms of u. Okay, you will get, okay, so you will get the values of u. So if you put u equal to c, then work is done. If you put u equal to c in the original equation, so you will get done. So let's see how the example will work. Okay, the equation is given. It is f of x, y, p, z, f of x, y, z. Okay, no ux, uy is there, so you need to convert it. Okay, so you need to convert of x, y, z, ux, uy, uz form. So for that, you need to put p equal to minus and q equal to minus uy by uz. Okay, so after converting this is the conversion. In place of p, you put this. So after getting, this is of the form x, y, z, ux, uy, uz. This is of the form which is, okay. So after writing, then you just write it. You just equation, the auxiliary equation are dx by fux, dy by fuy. So similarly, you just write it. After calculating this, you will get this, because fux is what? Fux means 2, fux means 2x ux, remaining terms will be 0 because no u. So similarly, you can find the others. So after putting this, you will get this. First term and this term, first and fourth term, if you compare, so you get this way. If you calculate it, you will get u. So ux value is a by x. whole to the power half. Okay, similarly after you by similarly you can say, because these equations look like similar, so if this is a similar equation, go same way. Second and fifth term, if you compare, so you will get u equal to d by y whole to the power half. Similarly, uz equal to you will get a by z whole to the power half. Okay, so after putting all this uz, you will get from this. Okay, uz, if you getting us, so uz you don't need to solve again. Okay, you don't need to solve again, to directly put here. Okay, so uz value you will get. Okay, are getting all these values, so you need to put in the integral. So whenever you will get, so ux, uy, uz value, if you put here and do the integration, so another constant will come. Okay, so there is 3 constant. Okay, a, b, and that should be, because ux, uy, uz is present, so there should be 3. Okay, as there is 3 differential, so there should be 3 constant. Okay, okay, so after writing u equal to c in 12, after writing u equal to c in 12, it's not done here, I think. Okay, so see that one, means I need to complete that one. Okay, so the complete a solution, the step 3 I will show you. Okay, that is not. Okay, so that remaining part, just you need to put u equal to c in the equation. Okay, that's all. Then you will get, u will be omitted. Okay, be omitted. Okay, so you will get x, y, and z, basically nothing else. Put u equal to c on the left hand side. Okay, if you put u equal to c on the left hand side, this equation, okay, they are telling. Okay, this is the 12 equation, but they have not meant. So if you put u equal to c here, so whatever you will get, 2ax to the power half, ui to the power half, 2a plus bz to the power half equal to c, because this c will come something here, c1. So this is your equation basically, because this is only contains x, y, and z, and that is your solution. No u is, you needed the value. This is some differential from del z del x del z del y is present z, so z value you will get here. Okay, if you put u equal to c here. Okay, maybe that part I will add, and it will say send you. Okay, so that's all basically. This is your